All right or no?
All right, watch out here.
Get down there.
Oh, he's helping him out here. Up.
Turn right and back up. Nothing but bumper.
That was pretty good.
Try going higher here. Yeah, we'll have to try higher on that side.
Hold on, let me get down.
Put your tire right up there.
I wish I could have saw
That was cool from up there. Oh, I know, I saw that shit.
That would have been a good picture. I tried to, as soon as my phone focused.
Hard that way. You're coming down over on this side there. There's lots of oil pressure. Huh? I got it back. No, you're good. Hard right.
Yeah, I got it back.
Hard right? I'm coming to the door. No.
Now you're hitting the upside.
You're good.
Needs a rock right under that tire.
Dude, you're right where you need to be, but you ain't got the clearance.
I think you get a good size boulder, you can get them up on the top.
You got the traction. I don't think you're going to get that rocker any worse than what it is.
Oh. Go, baby, go! Go! Oh! Yes!